Would you know what to do if someone were to go into cardiac arrest right in front of you? Most people would not. According to the American Heart Association, most Americans do not know how to perform CPR. They encourage that everyone either learn or brushing up their CPR skills. If you are one of these people, you can now learn CPR in less than 25 minutes.
The American Heart Association developed CPR Anytime for family and friends because they know that millions of people don't know CPR. And this provides a simple technique for learning CPR in the comfort of your own home.
The CPR Anytime for Family and Friends kit provides all materials needed to practice and perform CPR. A blow-up CPR Manikin is even included for practice. The Manikin includes a feature that allows you to alternate between adult and child, allowing knowledge and practice on both body frame types.
I think the Manikin taught me the most about CPR because it was a tangible object that I could touch and feel and see. Expanded the way I think of adult CPR in particular. I didn't know that you had to push harder on adults than you do on children.
The CPR Anytime kit for family and friends is easy to use and can be used by all members of the family. If you would like to get a kit, you could do so by visiting cpranytime.org or by calling 1-877-AHA-4-CPR. In San Francisco, Sarah Hernandez, State of Events.